Want to organize your team discussions better? Let's create a channel in Slack. Open Slack on your desktop, mobile, or browser and log in using your email, Google, or Apple account. Once you're in, pick the workspace where you want a new channel. Next, look at the sidebar on the left and click the plus Add Channel button. Choose Create a Channel. You can start fresh with a blank channel or use a template to save time. Give your channel a clear name that reflects its purpose. Decide if it should be public, anyone in the workspace can join, or private, where you control who has access. Once everything looks good, click Create and your new channel is ready. You can now invite teammates, share files, and start collaborating. That's it. Quick, simple, and your team is ready to communicate better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Slack tips.